So it was 8-hour discussion that was set for the Lok Sabha yesterday, but it went beyond the stipulated time, and several hours later, when it passed the Lok Sabha test, multiple MPs voting in favor of the Waqf Amendment Bill. Now that the first test is cleared, it is now up to the Rajya Sabha or the upper house of the body. As we even talk about when it comes to the second day of the mega showdown in Parliament between the NDA and the opposition over the Waqf Amendment Bill, let's get you what's going to happen today, because here is when it comes to the real test of the government. The upper house of the Parliament today, after the debate that lasted for over 12 hours yesterday in the lower house, the centre managed to get past the bill in the Lok Sabha, and the Waqf Amendment Bill that was passed with 288 votes coming in favour, while 233 MPs voted against the passing of the bill in the Lok Sabha. Let's get you exactly when it comes to the Rajya Sabha and how the numbers are also stacked up. But meanwhile, as far as post-midnight, we are looking at all of the MPs who were still present in the House, all of that debate and discussion that has been taking place over the Waqf Amendment Bill and the clarifications being given by the government by multiple speakers there. Let's listen into their reactions.
I think Waqf Amendment Bill has been pending for a long time. We were trying to bring it, but because of the procedures in JPC, it took some time. Otherwise, we wanted to pass in the last session. But after going through the Joint Parliamentary Committee and wider consultation, it has been very well handled, and the bill has seen all kind of situation. So I can say the situation is quite mature to pass the bill. So we have finally passed the bill, and the opposition parties had raised the issue that is expected, and we have clarified to the extent we feel it is enough. So with a good strength, we could pass the bill in the very late night, I could say early morning. Early morning. After a long time, I have witnessed Parliament session running beyond 2 a.m. in the morning, and all the members there and participated in the voting. So it's an important bill, and it deserves this kind of marathon discussion.
Do you think that you will be having a smooth sailing in Rajya Sabha as well tomorrow?
Yeah, the composition in the Rajya Sabha is well in our favor, so there is no any kind of problem with regards to numbers.
And do you think that all the opposition suspicion and obviously fear mongering about snatching the lands of Muslim will be put to rest after today?
See, all kind of this misnomer, miscampaign, propaganda, these are almost been cleared after putting our position on the floor of the House. I think the nation is clear about our government's very good intention to bring this bill for the welfare of the Muslim community, especially the underprivileged, the backwards, the women, children. For them, it will be hugely benefiting, as well as it will prevent the misuse which we have seen in the past.
Any advice for the opposition members?
How can I advise the opposition MPs, because they are taking a political stance?
Well, the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister there saying that it is after a very long time, or it is quite rare that the Lok Sabha session continues beyond midnight, and such marathon debates and discussion, and intense and heated also that it got in some points. But in fact, when it comes to the first test in the Lok Sabha, that path has now been cleared. Let's get in a word from our reporters there as well, because Times Now has been tracking the story non-stop. Good morning to you, Nyamika, Govind and Arpita also joining us live here on the broadcast. Nyamika, as far as when we have seen on the opposition, of course, they have put up a good fight. But here, when it comes to the first test in the Lok Sabha, it's clear. Now, the second biggest test and the one to look out for is today going to happen in the Rajya Sabha.
Well, indeed, it is going to be a very important day in Parliament, as yesterday we have seen that how a 12-hour-long discussion had taken place in Lok Sabha regarding the Waqf Amendment Bill, as the opposition had made certain allegations against the BJP government, stating that this bill is against the constitutional rights of the people of India, and that is the only reason why not just the Congress party but the other opposition parties had also raised a concern that why this bill has been imposed. That the allegation which the opposition is making is that this bill is getting imposed upon the country, and for that reason we have also been joined by some of the people here at Jama Masjid. Let us go across to them and listen to their viewpoints, that whether they accept this bill, whether they support this bill, or they have certain concerns regarding this. जो वक्फ अमेंडमेंट बिल आया है, आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया है उस पे? सरकार को क्या कहना चाहिए? क्या आप उसका समर्थन करते हैं?
उसका समर्थन बिल्कुल भी नहीं करते हैं, उसमें जाना ही नहीं है, उसमें आपका लेने देना क्या है?
क्यों समर्थन नहीं करते? क्या आपकी राय?
नहीं, एक बात बताइए, आपकी प्रॉपर्टी में मेरा क्या अधिकार है, ये बताइए। मैं जबरदस्ती आपको कहूँगा नमस्कार कि ये प्रॉपर्टी मेरी है या ये माइक आपका है, मैं आपके हाथ से लेकर के कहूँ ये मेरा है, तो ऐसे कैसे हो जाएगा? ये बताइए आप। जो वक्फ की जमीन है ना, किसी के बाप दादा की नहीं है, वो इंसान अपनी मर्जी से वक्फ को देता है, वो वक्फ अपने तरीके से उसको चलाता है, जहां जिसको जैसी जरूरत होती है उसको वो देता है। अब सरकार के जितने भी नुमाइंदे हैं, नुमाइंदों में आज तक कोई भी एक आदमी बता दिए मुस्लिम कोई है? जितने सत्ता में बैठे हैं, जो थे भी, शाहनवाज, मुख्तार अब्बास नकवी, दोनों को बाहर का रास्ता दिखा दिया। सरकार, आज तुम मुसलमानों की रहनुमाई करने के लिए क्यों आ रहे हो? क्या मतलब है? मुसलमान ने आपसे लिखित में शिकायत दी?
लेकिन सरकार का ये कहना है, सत्ता पक्ष का ये कहना है कि जिस तरीके गैर कानूनी ढंग से कुछ जमीनों पर कब्जा कर लिया जाता था, उसके खिलाफ भी ये कुछ चेंजेस लाए हैं। बिल जो है, जो लॉ था वो एज इट इज है, लेकिन कुछ चेंजेस उसमें लाने की जरूरत थी, वही सरकार ने किया।
नहीं, तो वो सरकार ने किया ना, अच्छी बात है, मैं आपकी बात का समर्थन करूंगा कुछ देर के लिए। अडानी की जो बिल्डिंग बनी है, अगर जो वो सरकार उससे लेकर के वक्फ को देना तो मान सकते हैं उसको।
आप जिस तरीके से बाकी लोगों से भी बात करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको क्या लगता है कि
Nyamika,
जिस तरीके
we'll
से
just return to you as far as reactions that have been coming in from the people there and from the community, of course, when it comes to the bill, what it entails, what the details, and what exactly are the reforms that are now being suggested. This is something that the people are yet to be aware of, and the government on its part have been putting out multiple clarifications and detailing exactly what this bill is all about. It is all about transparency, and it is all about reforms. But even as the center that prepares to introduce the bill in the upper house, we have to take a look as far as the number game here is concerned, because here it is where it gets interesting. Let's put out as far as the strength in the Rajya Sabha is concerned. With the NDA having a strength of 118, the opposition having a strength of 109, there are certain, as far as when it comes to 9 members who are said to be uncertain on their take exactly where they will be voting in favor or they will be voting against. But the total strength, as we are looking at the Rajya Sabha, currently is at 236. So this is where, when it comes to the Rajya Sabha test, gets interesting. But the battle that appears to be a closer one between the NDA and the opposition here, what is more interesting also to note, while there is a difference of 9 votes between the NDA and the opposition, there are also the 9 whose stand is yet to be made clear. So it is still uncertain, and so at this point it appears to be a very, very close contest. But the centre has made multiple attempts to convince to the opposition to back the reform for an inclusive work, for more reforms and for transparency.
लेकिन आप जब कहता है कि हिंदुस्तान में माइनॉरिटी सेफ नहीं है, आप समझता है इसका क्या मतलब है? मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूं, मैं खुद एक माइनॉरिटी हूं, हिंदुस्तान से ज्यादा माइनॉरिटी का सेफ्टी कहीं और नहीं है। आप बार बार ये कह रहे हैं कि स्पेसिफिक हमारा देश में मुस्लिम को डिवाइड किया जा रहा है, ये आपने कहा। आप थोड़ा सोच के देखिए, आपने जितना जो उस समय पुराने प्रावधान के मुताबिक सुन्नी बोर्ड अलग, शिया बोर्ड अलग और बाकी मुसलमानों का बोर्ड अलग अलग होना चाहिए, ये आपने किया है। हम कर रहे हैं कि हर एक बोर्ड में जितना मुस्लिम सेक्ट है सब मिलजुल के एक साथ उसमें बैठना चाहिए। तो मुस्लिम को डिवाइड आप कर रहे हैं कि हम कर रहे हैं?
So that's the Union Minister Kiran Rijiju saying that minorities all over the world are the safest here in India. But the battle that appears to be a close one, let's remind you who are the main parties on the either side of this battle as far as the battle in the Rajya Sabha here is concerned. Because the big question is, will it now pass the upper house test? As far as when it comes to supporting the bill, we are looking at 98 from the BJP side. From Congress is opposing the bill, Congress party stands at 27. There are other allies of the NDA, including that of Nitish Kumar's party, which supports the bill with 4 MPs. However, standing in opposition is 13 MPs from the TMC, which opposes the Waqf Amendment bill. Let's take a look at the other important ally of the BJP, which is Chandrababu Naidu's party, the TDP, having 2 MPs. Vehement opposition by the DMK, which is opposing the bill with 10 of the MPs. Let's take a look as far as the other ally of the NCP, Ajit Pawar faction is concerned, having 3 of those MPs, and opposing the bill is the Aam Aadmi Party. So this is how, when it comes to the build-up is concerned, when it comes to the RLD as well, supporting one of the MPs there. However, when it comes to the YSRCP, opposing as far as when it comes to the 7 of those parliamentarians are concerned. The JDS having 1 MP coming out in support. However, this is Mr. Patnaik's party, which opposes as far as when it comes to their 7 MPs are also concerned. So this is how the BJD that plays a role. And even when it comes to the RJD here, Tejasvi Yadav having those 5 MPs, that is in opposition to the passing of the bill. Will remains to be seen when it comes to the party and the left as well, how it plays out today in the Rajya Sabha.